More positive signals from the real estate market. In another good sign for the private housing sector, a study has shown that Americans signed more contracts to buy previously occupied homes in May 2012. This increase matched the fastest signing pace in 2 years, and suggests that home sales will continue to rise this summer, which is a continued good sign that the modest housing recovery will continue to slowly chug along. Do you think the housing market is improving? Here are some real estate statistics showing some positive news for the industry. Positive signals from the housing market. According to the National Association of Realtors, the index of sales agreements increased to 101.1 last month from 95.5 in April, matching March's reading, and equaling the highest since April 2010. The index is currently 13.3% higher than it was a year ago, with a reading of 100 considered healthy. The index had previously bottomed out at 75.88% in June 2010, which was around the time that Obama's home buying tax credit expired. Contract signings typically indicate which direction the housing market is headed, with the recent data showing that the housing market may be starting to significantly recover roughly 5 years after the bubble burst, both in terms of the economy and the housing sector. Sales of new and previously occupied homes are up over the past year due in part to mortgage rates being at their lowest levels on records. This rise in sales is occurring despite the fact that home prices rose in 19 or the 20 biggest US cities between March and April, according to the Standard & Poor's/Case-Shiller Index. The measure showed that national prices rose for the first time in 7 months, posting a 1.3% jump in April. There is more good news in the fact that home sales jumped in May to the fastest pace in more than 2 years. This is in part due to the fact that the number of homes for sale remains extremely low, which has helped stabilize prices and push prices higher. The inventory of existing homes for sale is back down to where it was in 2006, with 145,000 new homes for sale in May, 1,000 higher than April, which was the lowest supply on record since 1963. Sales of previously occupied homes fell in May, after reaching a 2-year high in April. Regardless of recent sales, resales have risen 9.6% during the last 12 months. Pending home sales also continue to rise at a good rate as well.